Alright, Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com, and in today's video what I wanted to run you through is an at-home workout you can do. It's going to be 3 exercises, bodyweight only, requiring absolutely no equipment. Just something simple for you guys to do to try and progress with your pectus and make it look less noticeable from home. Okay, so obviously with coronavirus, a lot of us can't go to the gym, and a lot of us aren't fortunate enough to have equipment. If you do have equipment, definitely I would recommend getting some resistance bands and some dumbbells, and then you can do a whole bunch of exercises. But if you're limited to body weight only, then these are 3 exercises for you. So the first movement we're going to do is a diamond push-up. The reason we're going to do the diamond variation is it's going to hit our inner chest more, right and around the pectus. Okay, so obviously we can do normal push-ups too, and you would want to be utilizing both, but for this workout we're going to be doing diamond push-ups to really hit the pectus, and we're going to do 3 sets by AMRAP. So AMRAP stands for as many reps as possible, and that way we're just burning out and getting a good workout and putting a lot of muscle damage in the muscles, then we can build it back bigger and stronger when you eat your protein. Alright, so, and appropriate amount of calories. Alright, so diamond push-ups, hands in a diamond. Come down nice and controlled, keep your elbows tight, and squeeze as you come up, really feeling the muscles in the chest engaging. And you would do as many reps as possible, so I don't know if that'd be 10 for you, 12, just work on that. And then the idea with this routine is to repeat it and try and get stronger, okay? Because progressive overload is one of the key principles for building muscles. So you do the same thing, but you try and get better. You try and increase the reps, or if we're lifting with dumbbells, increase the weight. Okay, so diamond push-ups is the first exercise. Next, as you know, if we're doing chest pushing movements, we need to counteract that with pulling movements for the posture with pectus. So we do some Supermans with arm circles as well, just to make it a little bit more challenging on the back. So come down, and then you're going to hold a Superman hold, and you're going to bring your arms back and forward. Do that for 3 sets for as many reps as possible. That's pretty hard. So that's going to be your back stimulus. And then lastly, we want to stimulate the abs. So what I would recommend is just doing a side plank. I want you to do 2 times each side for as long as possible each time. So side plank's just like a normal plank, but on one side. And you just hold this position, keeping your core nice and straight and engaged. And the reason we want to do this is we want to develop our core for our rib flare and our pot belly, and the side plank's actually going to hit your obliques more, so the muscles on the side, and that's extra key for the rib flare. Okay, so we want to hold the side plank for 2 times each side for as long as possible, and just hold a nice steady position. Really make sure your core is really engaged. Okay, so that was just a quick 3 exercise only bodyweight workout that you guys can do at home. Ideally, something really simple and easy is resistance bands. If you can get a resistance band, you can tie it up. You can do some rows with the resistance band. It's a great way to train your back. A pull-up bar is another great additive for your at-home routine. You could use the resistance band to do some inner chest like squeezes, like the plate squeeze and press. If you come have a look at my inner chest, look at the muscles around the pectus engaging there. So there's all kinds of things we can do just with resistance band with our body weight, okay? But the big key when it comes to training for pectus is getting those inner chest fibers developing, getting that stimulus there, developing the abs and developing your back. But nothing's going to change if you don't have good nutrition. So make sure while you're at home, your nutrition is on point, okay? Make sure you're eating the appropriate amount of calories you need to be eating the appropriate amount of protein as well. So that's a little at-home video for you guys. Hopefully it gives you an idea of what to do at home. I've created a little at-home workout routine that I'm happy to give to you guys for free. So if you go to the link in the description, you can click on that and then you'll be able to download that. So there's a little routine for you guys to be able to do and get started on your training, and hopefully the coronavirus doesn't affect your ability to make gains. In fact, hopefully it benefits you. Hopefully you can really knuckle into a good routine now, because you really have no excuses. You can get the equipment, otherwise you can just do bodyweight things, and you have all the time in the day now, really. So yeah, stay safe out there, guys, and lots of love to everyone out there with Pectus.